Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bright Health Plan app documents, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Bright Health Plan app documents, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the Bright Health website. Once the home page loads, navigate to the login area. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you haven't registered yet, look for the sign up option and follow the prompts to create an account. After logging in, locate the menu bar on the home page. Click on the Documents or Resources section. Browse through the available categories to find the document you need. Select the specific document you wish to download. Once you click on the document, a preview may appear. Look for a download icon or button, usually located at the top right of the preview window. Click on this download option to initiate the download process. A prompt may appear asking you where to save the file. Choose your desired location on your computer or device. After selecting the location, click Save to complete the download. Once the download is finished, you can access the document from your chosen folder. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or clear your browser cache. For further assistance, consider reaching out to Bright Health customer service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.